Hello, today we will guide you through how to share sound on Zoom if you want other people in your Zoom meeting to hear audio from your computer, such as a video, music, or a presentation with sound. Zoom gives you a simple option to do that while sharing your screen. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready to use before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until the main window appears. Starting from the app itself is important since the sound sharing option is available during the screen sharing process inside a meeting. Once Zoom is open a sample Zoom meeting. This can be any meeting where you want to test or demonstrate shared audio. It's a good idea to make sure you are fully inside the meeting window before continuing, so you can see the meeting controls along the bottom of the screen. Those controls are where the sharing options are located. Next, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom meeting window and click Share. This opens the screen sharing panel where Zoom lets you choose what you want to present to other participants. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, move your mouse over the meeting window and it should appear. This step is the key transition from simply being in a meeting to actively sharing content. After the sharing panel opens, look to the right side panel and click Share Sound. This tells Zoom to include your computer's audio along with whatever you are sharing. Without enabling this option, participants may be able to see your shared content, but not hear any audio playing from your device. That's why this setting is especially useful for videos, demos, or any presentation that depends on sound. Before you begin presenting, it can help to quickly confirm that the Share Sound option is selected properly. That way your audience can hear everything as intended from the start, and you won't need to stop and restart the share. And that's it. Once these steps are completed, you're ready to share audio in Zoom more effectively. This is a small setting, but it makes a big difference in creating a smoother experience for everyone in the meeting. Thanks for following along, and you should now be ready to share sound on Zoom with confidence.